Today, we are going to clean out the condensate trap on a high-efficient furnace. Different furnaces will have different styles, but the premise is all the same. They need annual cleaning to prevent plugging up with debris. Turn power off to the furnace. Then we are going to remove any clamps securing the drain hose. Then remove securing screws or clips. As you can see, this trap is in need of flushing out. Take it over to the sink and rinse with hot water. It doesn't need to look like new. Just get as much out as you can. Refill with some clean water. Locate the trap back into the furnace. Replace the securing screws or clips. Put the hose back on, and you're ready to turn your furnace back on. Check out the description to the link for the required tools. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. The links are Amazon affiliate links. We are paid a small commission, but the cost to you is the same. It greatly helps keep this channel running and providing free tips and tricks. Don't forget to check out our other videos to keep your personal climate running efficiently. Let us know what other videos you'd like to see us make for you. Ensure all the clamps and screws are secure. If this video helped you out, please help us out by giving us that all-important like and subscribe. Once you have everything put back together, replace the door. Turn power back on and confirm operation.